Ahanmuktada live being video me apunu apu birkanil tiam na taram nokchiri. And today in my first show, in my first live with beer show, I have a very interesting and a very motivating personality sitting next to me. It is none other than Mr. Romulus. It's happy to be with you here.
It's a pleasure.
And yeah, Romulus, I've seen your company. I've seen how it's growing up so fast now.
Like, let's say like you're a kid, you pick one thing you want to do.
Yeah.
Like I had tunnel vision. Like when you figure out what you want to do, tunnel vision is very necessary. You need that. You make something of myself. I'm not the kind of guy who just wants to sit at home and do nothing. I'm the kind of guy who every day I just want to go out, talk to some people, make some prime gains, make some prime gains,
yeah.
Work hard on myself, and eventually my plan is to give back to the community. That's one of the reasons why, like, I love food. I'm a big guy. I love food.
Yeah,
like,
me too. Like you can see.
Yeah. No, you're not that big, man. But yo, food is life, right?
Okay. Chatlo chat.
Chatlo chat.
Like sing with me, like Chalo chat.
Chatlo chat.
Tabaya.
Tabaya.
Drabanandi.
Oh no. Drabanandi.
Yeng lam lanu.
Ying lanu.
Hanna.
Hanna.
Hingonda.
Hingonda. Oh, I like this.
That was
good. Follow me on Instagram at iron_apes on Instagram, and you can find me on Facebook at Prime Gains. That's what we do. We make them prime gains. You know what I'm saying?
And yeah. This is a promotional video, and like the real video is coming out shortly. Till then, stay tuned. See you soon.